Do you know that spoon in your kitchen drawer? What if I told you it holds this incredible secret? A secret about how we all talk to each other across the entire globe. Today, we're diving deep into something you probably use every single day to uncover a story you've almost definitely never heard. Yep, we're talking about the humble spoon.
All right, let's just start with the basics. We all think we know what a spoon is, right? The official definition is almost kind of funny in how simple it is. A little, long, thin metal thing with a round end for putting food in one's mouth. I mean, it's direct, it's practical, it's one of the first words we ever learned. Couldn't be more straightforward.
Or could it be? Is that really all there is to it? As you've probably guessed by now, there is way more going on here, just hiding right under the surface of this everyday object.
Okay, so check this out. The word spoon is kind of living a double life. On the one hand, yeah, it's the thing you eat cereal with. But on the other, it's a verb, and a pretty intimate one, right? Spooning, to lie close together like a stack of spoons. How in the world does a word for a metal utensil end up describing something so human? But believe it or not, that's not even the real secret.
All right, here it is. This is the real reason we're talking about spoons today. It's this one simple line. Spoon is on the basic English 850 list. Just think about that for a second. Not fork, not knife, spoon. It was chosen. But chosen for what? What in the world is the basic English 850 list?
Let's just focus on that number, 850. That's it. Out of what, hundreds of thousands of words in the English language, spoon made the cut for the super exclusive club of only 850 words. Why? What makes this thing so fundamentally important?
Okay, so here's the big reveal. That list, it's not just some random collection of words. It's the entire vocabulary for this amazing system called Basic English. The whole idea was to create this super simple, stripped-down version of English that, well, anyone in the world could learn. And learn it fast.
And that was the whole point, right? To create this universal bridge language, something simple enough that people from all over the world could use it for business, for science, you name it. It was designed to be incredibly easy to learn, and it also acted as a perfect foundation if you wanted to go on and learn all of English later. And right there, in that foundational set of words designed to describe the entire world, they put spoon. They decided you absolutely could not do without it.
So yeah, the next time you're stirring your coffee or eating some soup, just look at that spoon. It's not just a tool. It's a tiny, carefully chosen piece of this huge puzzle about global communication. It was selected to help us all understand each other a little better. And it really makes you wonder, doesn't it? If a simple spoon has a story this big, what other everyday things are all around us, just hiding their own complex, fascinating secrets, waiting for us to notice?